Hello dear friends, welcome to another GIS and remote sensing YouTube channel tutorials. Today inshallah we will discuss about atmospheric corrections. Especially this correction will done in ENVI5.6 version, and also this correction we will use Aster satellite image for the atmospheric corrections. And also some of the students ask me how we use the Aster image for processing because of its SAM complex. And also this tutorial include these contents like quick atmospheric corrections and also IAR reflecting corrections. In before tutorials we will discuss about radiometric calibration, how radiometric calibration, and also the difference between atmosphere, the difference between radiance, atmosphere, and also top of atmospheric correction, and also surface reflectance. You could watch this tutorial in the content that I'll and also in before tutorials. Friends, any question, suggestion, don't forget, and also the water. Okay, friends, any question, suggestion, you should ask me in this way. If you are now joining with me, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also for supporting us, you could share the video with your friends and also like the video. Now come to practice parts. Okay, this is the ENVI 5.6 version software. Now I want to open the image, Aster image. Okay, for opening the image, click on the open data. In here, this is the folder that already my image is in here ready. I want to choose which one should I select. I think this one is good. Yeah, just click on the open. In here is okay, friends, in here is we could say this is the Aster problem. In the data manager, you could clearly watch. In here we have a three different type of Aster data. In here, visible plus NIR, SWIR, and also thermal band. In here, three spectral bonds. But in the my view, in here, this image is visible plus NIR. This is the problem. In here, we should have one image for processing. I think we must make a one image from these three images. For merging these three image, you should type in toolbox by the name of stack layer. Okay, shut. In here my software makes some problems in here, not showing a stack layer. But if you type stack layer, if in here the stack layer is a preview, you should double click on it and also make a stack layer. But okay, I have another way. ENVI Classic. I use ENVI Classic for stack layering this image. Okay, in here open image file, which file, I think. Okay, in here this is my image. This is Aster that captured the data in 2015 years. Just click on open. Yeah, also in here we have a three data, but in here come to basic tools, layer stacking. In here import file, just click to why two of this, because of in this In this tutorial, we use visible plus NIR plus SWIR. Not we use thermal. This is thermal bond. Okay, this is thermal bond, not we use, but we use to this bond. And also in here, a spatial subset, you could make a focus area, just select this one, and also a spectral subset, which bond should be selected. But in here, we use default and processes the all image and enter the image. Just click on the OK. This is the XY, the zoom is 42, default selected, and also default selected. The X and Y should be 15 meters. The visible Aster bond is 15 meters spatial resolution, and the SWIR is 13 meter resolution. But in this tutorial, I use 15 meter resolution for having a base spatial resolutions. After this, click on the choose for introducing the output file. In here, atmospheric corrections. In here, we should click on the output. By the name of Aster layer stacking. Just click on OK. Now step is down in here, and also right click on this, edit headers, click edit attribute bond name. In here we should clearly rename the bonds. B1, B2, sorry, B3, B4, B5, B7, B8, and B9. Click OK. OK. Now close the classic, and also in here close all bonds. Okay, again open. Which file should be open? Video atmospheric creation output by the name of Aster layer stack. Just click on OK. The file is done. The file have a RGB. In here you could clearly see we have band 1 up to band 9. For layer by layer stacking, we stack the all layer. Okay, now come to we have a two view. Okay, friends, for making atmospheric correction, at first we need radiometric calibration. Radiometric in toolbox, please click and type radiometric calibrations. This radiometric calibration is already, I have made a tutorial by the name of radiometric calibration. You could watch more scientific discussing in that tutorials. Just click in radiometric, select input file. The input file is a stack layer, Aster layer stack, and also in this part also you could subset a spatial subset spectral, but I choose default. Click on OK. All these parts already I have discussed in the radiometric calibration tutorials. All these parts should be default. Click on the output file name, output by the name of Aster radiometric. Just click on OK. It takes some second. Okay, the radiometric calibration is done. I choose this one and drop to in the second view. In first view it should be antag, and also come to view, link view, and I want to link all views. And here Okay, friends, now you should clearly watch the difference between the raw data and after calibrated radiometric calibrated data. In this radiometric calibrated data, you could clearly watch the uh, pattern, watch the earth objects. Okay, this is the difference of radiometric calibration and the raw data. Okay, for running the atmospheric correction in the toolbox, please click on correction, type correction, and choose quick correction, quick atmospheric correction. Double click on this one. In input file, choose Aster radiometric corrections. Just okay. Input raster is already choose. Sensor type sometimes choose default, some choose default, but you haven't chosen anything, so you could manually choose which if your data is modest, just click choose modest, but now it's default, choose it. And now click on the output raster. Output raster by the name of quick. Just click on OK. And also this process will take some minutes. Okay, friends, the quick atmospheric correction is also done. I transfer it in the viewport. Just click on this ones, link views, link all, just okay. In here, this image is an image that this image is a atmospheric correction image. In here you should clearly watch the difference and watch the object. Okay, the last one is IAR Reflectance correction. Double click on this ones, select input raster, click on the browse. In here you should choose Aster radiometric, and also in this part also you could use spatial subset, spectral subset, but I refer to default. Click on the OK. Output raster in here by the name of IAR. Just click on the OK. As you see, the process of this correction is not very simple. It is not the way just you use the input, the sensor, and also the output. Behind of this processes, we have a big method, we have a big mathematical calculation that generate a reflection, generate a atmospheric correction image. Okay, this one's and also IAR reflectance is also calculate. Just click and move it in the viewports and take this ones in viewport. We should link all. Just click OK. Okay, in here you should clearly watch the difference between the IAR, quake, and radiometric, and also the raw data. In here I introduce three method. Which one do you want to? Which one is the best for you? You should use the corrections. Okay, friends, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also you could share the tutorials with your friends. For supporting me, click on the like button. See you.